Hi, we're doing another expedition again. Honestly, starting at Shoreline is not exactly what I'm gonna say my favorite starting location. So, we need to kill blue and pink lizards. Now, I think the best location for that would be probably heading to the industrial outskirts area. Salamander, okay. What is happening? Am I alive? I am. I don't think you guys give much food pips, but oh, white lizard. Um, where's no chance anywhere. Okay, I wanted that spear. Let me grab him. Did the jetfish? How did this jetfish die? Oh. Oh, I stabbed him. Well. Where am I gonna find blue lizards the most? I feel like industrial, I remember there being a lot of blue lizards. I don't, and definitely, I do think there's some pink. But I don't know where, like, the best place to find them is. Hello. Can I pass? Yes? Okay, thank you. Oh, okay. You know what? I'll leave. I want food. This is a pretty... No, this is mine. Come on. No! My snack! Grab it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat. Consume. Bite the thing. Hunter. Oh. Okay. Okay, finally. Jeez. That was a freaking painful cycle. Industrial. Let's go kill the local lizard population. Okay. Huh. Carmel, don't be a coward. Come on, fight. Come on. I'm really starting to wish that I've got a spear. Is he gone? Hey, Caramel Lizard, do you remember me? to save that karma lizard kill. I need to start killing a bunch more lizards. Oh, you're back. Well, I don't actually really need to. A pink lizard. Oh, and of course there's a cyan up there. That was also a really green cyan. Go see if I can kill this pink successfully this time. Where is it? Oh, there's a blue up there. Let me make sure that green's not coming after me. Oh. There's the green cyan. I don't need to worry about him. Though I am worried about him because he might come back. Okay. Oh, boy, there's a lot of guys here. No. One out of 7. Blue's dead. Oh, hello. Is there more of your brethren up here then, if you came down from here? There's a pink up there. Oh, hey, a blue. No, that's my kill. That's my kill. No. That's my kill. I messed up. No. He messed up. I didn't mean to be here. I messed my jump up. I messed my jump up. Oh, okay. Okay, round 2. Here we go. Oh no, you freaking don't. You don't get a freaking run. Hi, Blue, come with me. I don't have a rock. It did not matter. Just quickly see, is there a blue through here? Wait, oh. Might be. There is. Hi, Blue. Are you dead? No? Okay. Wow. That's a very red pink lizard. I was facing the wrong way. was definitely skill. Yep, that's what that was. What are they doing? What? Are you guys okay? Are you guys... What is going on in here? I'm gonna kill the blue first. Cool. Cool, why are you freaking here? Oh. Cool. That's Pink's dead. Now it's just on to blues. Oh, if I want to get to Chimney, I need to cross through this room. Which, is not happening. So... guess we need to take the other way to Chimney, which means... Wait. The final one. He is slowly making his way up here. Oh. Okay. Anyway. He's actually close to the water. Okay. I actually hit him. Let's go. Yippee! It only took staying in industrial for an hour. You know, I think this might have an effect on the local lizard population.